Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj's YouTube channel. Are you looking for free courses on Google Drive but not sure how to find them? Today I will show you few search tricks how to locate them, exactly what are you looking for, whether it is learning a new skill or deep diving into some subject or just collecting some study material. Whether you are a student, a professional or simply someone who is eager to learn something new, this method is going to save a lot of time and it is going to give a lot of access to the resources which will help you. Stay up to the end of video and you are going to know how to access those kind of data from the Google search. Let's start with some search in the Google. For example, you are searching some courses in the Google. How exactly you can find their relevant course or data in the search? What we are going to do here, I'm going to the Google search and I'm going to type the course name. For this example, I'm going to take let's say Python programming. Then a colon in the double quotes, what I'm going to write, drive.google.com and double quotes and click enter. As you click here, you will see couple of the Google Drive links already populated here, and you can go here, click them, and it will give you the relevant data whatever you are looking for. So you will have multiple options, whatever the data you find easy for you or good for you, you can access them. So here is the another data for the Python programming. You see that it is a very good data. Everything they have as a looking like exactly book. So you can get as easily in one go. So instead of searching multiple things in Google search here and there, you can use this script. Just change the course name or the book name. Not only the course name. Using this script, we can find the book also, and I'm going to show you next. So this is going to save a lot of time. Instead of searching here and there, just use this script and you will find the relevant data. I'm going to provide this script in the description section also. You can go ahead and use that script. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some other example, not only the some course related. Let's say I'm looking for some book. So here, let's say I'm typing financial freedom. And just you change the name financial freedom, and after that colon double quote drive.google.com, click that, and here you are going to get the books also, Google books, if you see, and you can open and you can go with this. It has lot of detail. So this is how it will make your search easy. You don't need to spend a lot of time in the Google search. It will just use this script. It will give you exactly what data you're looking for. Now in this what we are going to, let's say you are going to search a specific format, and now we were just looking we got the Google Drive link. Top of that, you want to look for a specific format like .pdf, Word, Excel or PPT format. You can also find that. So what you are going to do in the same example, what I will do, I will type the Python programming. It's my example, Python. Then what you are going to do, you just take the double quotes and file type as it's coming here, PDF. So what you have to do, you have to type the course name, then after that you have to type the double quote, file type, colon, PDF, double quotes, and click enter. So you will see whatever the data you are looking for, it will come in the PDF format. So it is giving you exactly what data you are looking for. All the search result has all the PDF format data only. You can go and find whatever is looking good for you, you can access them. So this is how, this is again, it's saving your time. Instead of finding here and there, you just type here, use this script, file type, column, PDF. It is going to return the PDF format data only. This is the one thing. Now let's say other example, I was looking for the book. If you are looking for some book in the PDF format, you can search that book also. For time being, I am searching some book like Financial Freedom. Then double quote, file type, column, PDF and double quote, and click enter. So here it will return you couple of books which were written by something like some institution like Universitate and Brief Guide to Financial Freedom, JD Roth, Money Master the Game, 7 Simple Steps to Finances. All these are returning in the PDF format. So whether you are looking for course or you are looking for some books, you can go ahead and use this format or script, file type, column, PDF. It is going to return all the PDF format result only. So again, this is saving your time and helping you find the exact data what you are looking for. So once you find this data here, you can go ahead and open this PDF, whatever you like, and you can access them easily. Instead of wasting so much time in the search, you can go ahead and find the relevant data and easily access them. The other thing, not only this thing, here we were able to find the PDF format. You can provide whatever the format you like a Word document, Excel or PPT format. You are going to get the relevant data quickly. This is the first thing. Other thing, you can also search using this this method. You can type the inurl drive.google.com and type here. After that, you're going to type the course name. Again, I'm going to search like Python programming. And you can take your example, whatever you want, whatever the subject you are looking for. In those subjects, it is going to give you the Google Drive link. So it is very much similar to the earlier one what we talked. It is going to give you the PDF format, all the related document, whatever you are looking for. Sometimes what happens, this Google Drive links are shared across the online platform, communities and forum. You can you can find them there also. I will give you one script. You just type that script and it is going to return your data from that particular platform. The platform Reddit, Quora and the Facebook, all this platform. You might have seen the Google Drive link are being uploaded there. If it is related to your course, you can directly go use this script and search them in those platforms. So in here I'm going to show you how you can access those platform Google Drive link. You have to go ahead and search and you just type this link, free courses site reddit.com. This is for the online community, reddit.com. So once you click here, free courses site reddit.com, it will give you all the relevant links, whatever you are looking for: learning programming, machine learning courses, full guides. So this is how you can access the data easily from the Google search. You don't have to spend a lot of time. As I told you, it is going to save your time, and you can see how quickly you are getting your data, what you are looking for. Quick reminder: always make sure that material is legally shared. If material is publicly shared, that is okay, and if it is a copyright, it is best to avoid them. Always stick to the free and open access resources. So let's recap what we learned from this video. You are going to find the Google Drive link easily. You can find the file format, or if you have the specific file format, you can find them easily. And if your content is shared across the different community or forum like Reddit, Quora or Facebook, you can find them easily also. So this method is going to save your time a lot, and it is give you access to the lot of resources also. Please let me know what did you like about this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.